Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix replaced game not launching or won't launch issue or launching failed problem on PC. So here follow the fixes. Now the first fix is simply restart Steam or restart your PC. So open Steam, click on this word Steam and then click on exit. This will exit the Steam and then again you can relaunch the Steam and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then just restart your PC once, and after your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 2 is to modify the game launch options. You can try -DX11, -D3D11 or -DX12. So open Steam, go to library, right click on replaced game and then select properties. Now in the launch option, first type -DX11, close the tab and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to the game properties and this time type -D3D11 and then close the tab and then launch the game and check. If that also doesn't work, then again go to the game properties and this time type -DX12, close the tab and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then again go to the game properties, remove the launch options and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 3. Windows security users allow the game.exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search type Windows security and open it. Then click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection. Click on allow an app through control folder access. Click yes to allow. Then click on add an allowed app. Then click on browse all apps. And then browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder. Open the replaced game folder. Select this replaced exe file and then click open to add it to the list. Now go back. Click on firewall and network protection. Click on allow an app through firewall. Then click on change settings. Then click on allow another app and then click on browse. And then again browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder. Open the replaced game folder. Select this replaced exe file, click open and then click on add. In my case, it is already added. And after adding it, make sure both private and public is ticked marked and then click on OK to save changes. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now, if you are using any third-party antivirus software such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, Avicii, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, EST, then allow the game.exe files to your antivirus program as well. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Or you can simply turn off your antivirus program and then launch the game and check. Later you can turn on your antivirus program. Fix 4 is to run the game from the game installation folder, run the game as an administrator or try running the game in compatibility mode. So open Steam, go to library, right click on replaced game, select manage and then click on browse local files. It will open the game installation folder. Now first double click this replaced exe file and then try to launch the game and check if that works or not. If not, then right click on it and then select properties. Then go to the compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator. Hit apply, OK, and then launch the game from the game installation folder and check. If that doesn't work, then also check mark run this program in compatibility mode for. From the drop down select Windows 8, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then from drop down here select Windows 7. Hit apply, OK, then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then also check mark disable full screen optimization option. Hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. From the drop down you can also select Windows 8, then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then untick all these 3 boxes. Just uncheck all these 3 boxes, then hit on apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 5 is to update graphic card driver. So if you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, go to NVIDIA website. If you have AMD graphic card driver, go to AMD website. If you have Intel graphic card driver, go to Intel website. Links are provided in my video description. What you have to do, you have to search and select your correct graphic card driver version and install the latest version. And after updating the graphic card driver, just restart your PC and then launch the game and check. I'm showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver. So go to this NVIDIA website. And once you're on this NVIDIA website, enter your graphic card driver version over here, then enter your operating system and then click on find. Now you have to download and install the GeForce Game Ready driver. So whatever is the latest version, you have to download and install it. So click on view and then click on download. And once this exe file get downloaded, then you have to run this exe file and install it. And after installing it, just restart your PC. And after your PC restart, then you can go ahead, relaunch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 6 is to install Visual C++ files. So go to this Microsoft website, link is provided in my video description. And once you're on this Microsoft website, scroll down and download both x64 version and x86 version. Download both the version. Now first click on x64 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. Next click on x86 version. Again, if you say repair option, then click on repair, and if you say install option, then click on install and install it. And then just restart your PC once. Don't forget to restart your PC. After your PC restart, then you can go ahead, relaunch the replaced game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 7 is to verify the game file. So open Steam, go to library, right click on replaced game and then select properties. Go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the verification has been done, then you can go ahead, relaunch the game and check if a problem is solved or not. Fix 8 is to disable overlays, disable game overlay in Steam. So open Steam, go to library, right click on replaced game, select properties. Now in the general tab, you will see the option enable the Steam overlay while in game. Just toggle it off and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then enable it and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Disable Discord overlay. Now if you have installed Discord on your PC, then simply disable the Discord overlay. Disable NVIDIA overlay. Open NVIDIA GeForce Experience settings, general, turn off in-game overlay. Similarly, disable overlay in all apps or close all other overlay apps such as GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Shadow Play overlay, AMD overlay, and then launch the game and check. Fix 9 is to run the game on dedicated graphic card driver. So in Windows search, type graphic settings and open it. Click on add desktop app and then browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open the replaced game folder, select this replaced exe file and then click on add. After adding it, look for it in the list. Here it is, expand it, and next to GPU preference, select the high performance. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 10 is to delete the replaced save game folder. Now please take a note, you will lose all the save game progress and saved settings. So keep backup of this folder to desktop first. So here how to delete the replaced saved game folder. So open C drive, open users folder, open your username folder, open app data folder. Now if you don't see app data folder over here, then click on this view, so and check mark hidden items, and then open app data folder, open the local low folder. Now here you will see the Sad Cat Studios folder. Open it and here you will find the replaced folder. Select both of them and then right click it and then copy it and then go to desktop and paste it to keep the backup of this folder. And after keeping the backup of this folder, just right click in it and then select delete to delete it. And then you can go ahead, relaunch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 11 is to close conflicting or unnecessary programs. So if you have any kind of overclocking software, then do not overclock it, just set it to default. Disconnect external USB drive, mouse, disconnect additional joystick controllers, multiple monitors connected to PC, unplug the Logitech or Thrustmaster racing wheel, and the task for Afterburner, Riva Tuner, HW Info, Razer Synapse or MSI Dragon Center from Task Manager. Close all of your tabs to free up RAM and then relaunch the game and check. Fix 12 is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings, on the left click on Windows Update and then click on check for updates, and if there are any updates available, then download and install them and just restart your PC once again. And after your PC restart, then you can go ahead, relaunch the game and check. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall the game. So simply uninstall replaced game from your PC, then just restart your PC and then reinstall the game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing it to another SSD drive or external SSD drive, and then you can go ahead, relaunch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve replaced game not launching or won't launch issue or launching failed problem on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.